What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you my LashyBox subscription box for June 2020. This is only my second time getting this box and I love it. I'm wearing some of the lashes right now. And the last time I did this, I tried on 4 pairs of lashes, and this time I tried to break it up a little bit by putting on lashes in other videos and filming a little clip. So I may be wearing different makeup or different clothes or something like that, but I just wanted to show you all the lashes without me having to try on 4 in a row because it made my eyes really mad last time. So ordinarily this comes, all the information will be down below. There's a bunch of different designations you can choose. Natural, you can choose dramatic. There's some smaller boxes, some bigger boxes, so I'll just leave all the information down below. This is roughly just under $17 and I got 4 pairs of lashes in a palette. That's what I got last time as well. So I think it's a great value, and it also comes with a little bitty thing of lash glue. I use my own. I probably should use theirs and try it out, but I've been using my own. So we'll start off with the lashes that I have on, and I'll insert the clip where I show you them close up. But these are by Flaunt Beauty. This is what the package looks like. And these are premium faux mink lashes. They're vegan and cruelty free. And the style that I have on right now is $0 Money Baby. And I like these because they're different. They're spiky, the lashes go all different ways, and they're also very light even though they're really long, but you can still see what's going on with the eye look behind them. So I really like these.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby.
The next pair of lashes are by LashyBox because LashyBox has their own brand of lashes. And these are the 3D silk lashes in blueberry. And these were so perfect. I wore these. I'm trying to get them open here. I wore these in my Alexandrite birthstone video. And they are absolutely gorgeous. I will show you a picture of me with these on, and then I will show you a clip of me with these on. But I'm going to go real close and hopefully it'll focus for you. They are actually blue and all different other colors. They're beautiful. I see orange, I see yellow, I see green. It's just like rainbow colors. It's beautiful. And they made my eye look so cool.
They tell me is the good kind of blind. I'm still feeling lonely, haunted from inside. I need you now, knowing this. I myself cannot be fixed. I know it's my own fault, but I don't have the right words to say.
Okay, next by Flaunt Beauty is the style Empowered. This is what it looks like in the packaging. And this is what they look like. I like those because they're really long, but they're still tapered. And there's all different lengths, like graduated lengths up and back. I like that. I'll be trying these on for you today. I'm gonna leave them out of the box. No reason to put them back. And last, this little box fell out and I stepped on it. So that's why it's all mangled. They didn't send it that way. Again, by LashyBox. These are the 3D silk lashes in Gemini. And I thought that was so cool because I just had a birthday and I'm a Gemini. So let me take the plastic part off of this. These are really long. I'm going to try these on for you today too. Now the palette, I have to give you some explanation. It's so funny because when I first looked at it, I thought Indica, and then I'm like, oh, Indica by Flaunt Beauty. It says it's infused with cannabis sativa. Well, I figured out that that has to do with marijuana leaves. Therefore, I will not be showing you the palette because I wouldn't be endorsing that. But it comes in a pretty purple palette. I'll show you the back. I haven't opened this, so, or maybe I have opened this, I can't remember. Oh yes, I did look at this. It's in pretty purple packaging, lavender with a cardboard package. It does have a little mirror, and this is what the colors look like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you, and after that I'll try on the lashes. We've got Bubba, cookies, and ice cream. Bubba, cookies, and ice cream. Wow. Those look really nice. Those feel really nice. I'm really kind of, oh, I'm kind of shook. And I don't think I've ever said I'm shook before. I'm a little shook. Those are pretty, but I don't really know why that one's called ice cream. But maybe because it's blue, ice blue. I don't know. You would think ice cream would be like chocolate brown or vanilla white or strawberry pink. I can't really think of any ice creams that are that color. Leave it to me to have to look at this logically whenever it may have nothing to do with it at all. Okay, next is Great Grape, Northern Lights, and Blue Dream. Ooh! Great Grape, Northern Lights, and Blue Dream. I'm going to put over here. Oh, I totally messed up Blue Dream and put it right on top of the purple, but look at that. I didn't do Northern Lights very well. Look at that. That one especially is so pretty. And so is the purple, the Great Grape. Wow. Those are pretty. I was thinking I'm gonna give this away, but guess what? I'm not. And look, I'm wiping off my hand and there's still pigment marks all over my hand, so it sticks around. My fingers are still all kinds of colors even though I've washed them, so there's a lot of pigment in there. That's not a bad palette, you guys, especially for, you know, something that you're in essence getting in a very not well known subscription box. Okay, it's time for the lashes. So I am going to go off camera to remove these and to size the other ones and get them ready to put on, and then I'll come back and I'll put on Gemini and Empowered for you.
Lost my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep.
Alright guys, that is it. I'm really excited about this box because I haven't found anything from the 2 boxes that I have gotten so far that I haven't liked. I've loved all the lashes. I loved both the palettes. It's just really good stuff. I was really shocked about how pigmented those eyeshadows were. Those are quality eyeshadows. I can't wait to actually use them on my eyes and see if they're as good as I think they're gonna be. So yeah, again, I'll leave all the information for how you can get this subscription down below. I'm not affiliated or get any credit for it at all. I just think it's a really cool subscription and giving you the info in case you want to look into it. But even though I did put 3 pairs of lashes on today, I think my eyes are going to thank me for 1 less pair that are on. But I'm leaving these Gemini lashes on. It's amazing how much a different lash makes the eye look completely different. But anyways, again, out of all this, I'm excited about the palette. I really love the blueberry eyelashes. I love all of these. I love the blueberry and the ones that I started off the video. Those are my favorites out of these, but the blueberry ones made my eye look so cool. So I'm actually hoping that they send some more colored eyelashes because I really like those. But I really hope you enjoyed seeing the 4 pairs of lashes from the June box of LashyBox and the palette. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, please tell me out of the lashes what you liked, which style you liked the best, 1, 2, 3, or 4. My favorites, I think, would have to be 2, the blueberries. But until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Why do I set it up like that when I know I'm gonna knock it down like that? Good boy. What is? And it's amazing how I think I just spit. I think I just had a spit bubble. But I hope you enjoyed seeing the 4 pairs of lashes that I got for this month's